of the keepers of the spear. Hail to the glory of those who shield us from fear. Hail to the glory of those who stand up for freedom and justice for everyone. Oh, glory is the story of the good and the great, who stand tall against injury to the downtrodden and the weak, and who lift up one and all. Hail to the grace and glory of the peacekeepers strong, who keep us on the path of what is right and what is truth. Oh, glory is the story of the good and the great, who stand tall against injury to the downtrodden and the weak, and who lift up one and all. Hail to the glory of the wise, who keep us safe from the fanatical wrath of the fevered fury of the fearful and their hate. Hail to the glory of the forgiving and the giving. Oh, glory is the story of the good and the great, who stand tall against injury to the downtrodden and the weak, and who lift up one and all. Hail to the glory of the restorer of the broken and the poor. Hail to the glory of the merciful and the magnificent, who stand steadfast against the cruel and the vengeful. Oh, glory is the story of the good and the great, who stand tall against injury to the downtrodden and the weak. Hail to the glory of those whose hearts hold to fairness and goodness in the face of temptation and stress, and in every season. Oh, the glory is the story of the good and the great, who stand tall against injury to the downtrodden and the weak, and who lift up one and all. Hail to the glory of those whose hearts hold to fairness and goodness in the face of temptation and stress, and in every season. Oh, glory is the story of the good and the great, who stand tall against injury to the downtrodden and the weak, and who lift up one and all.